गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? तो आज के वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ मेरे दो नए फेवरेट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो I'm basically going to talk about these two products right over here. I was holding it upside down. So these are the two products. So basically both of these are from the brand Kama Ayurveda. So if you guys are interested to know more about these two products, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Now let's get started. So guys, it's been about a year that I'm using products from Kama Ayurveda, and let me be honest with you guys, the first time that I tried out Kama Ayurveda products, I was just blown away by how good their products are, because their products are actually 100% natural, and when they say 100% natural, they mean it. Okay, Kama Ayurveda is a bit expensive, so you might think that you're paying a little extra, but all this extra money is actually going for good ingredients. When it comes to your skin, okay, it should be a good investment. Now talking about these two products, I'm going to start with this one first. By the way, let me tell you what these two products are. So this one right over here is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub, and the other one is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid. This one is okay. So first let me talk about this one. तो ये जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो guys, it's basically a face scrub. इसमें basically saffron है and there are 12 other ingredients I think, yes, and apart from that there are actually a lot more ingredients, but these are all natural. Okay, whenever you're scrubbing your skin, we all know guys that we are actually removing dead skin cells, but apart from that, this particular face scrub is also supposed to brighten up your skin, repair pigmentation, smoothen the fine lines and renew skin cell growth. So yes, it does have all these claims. Now this one basically has Kashmir saffron in it, and it also has finely ground sweet almonds in it, which has vitamin E and D to nourish and nurture the skin while exfoliating. So guys, the product basically comes in this tub right over here. The total amount of product that you get inside this tub is 50 grams, and the price of this is rupees 1450. So guys, basically apart from this, you will also get this wooden spatula so that you can take out the product. You don't have to put your fingers. Now coming to the application guys, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wet your face with warm water and then take a little bit of this product and apply it on your face and your neck and massage it for around 5 to 6 minutes. After massaging, you're supposed to wash your face and pat it dry, and that's it guys. So this is how my skin basically looks after washing my face, and my skin feels really soft. Now guys, I've been using this product for some time now, and to be honest guys, this is really good. Moving on to the next product. So the next product is the Miraculous Beauty Fluid, and guys, let me tell you, this product is so good. So let me tell you what this product basically is. So this is basically a blend of different kind of oils, and apart from this, it also has, this particular product also has, you know, different natural extracts in it, which are really good for your skin. So what this product basically claims is that it's supposed to cleanse your skin. At the same time, it's going to illuminate your complexion. It is going to remove dark circles, improve skin texture. It's also going to act as an antiseptic, and it's going to protect your skin from bacterial and fungal infection. So it basically does a lot. So guys, basically it comes in packaging like this with a dropper. Now coming to the price and the amount. So the price of this product is to be 2550 for 12 ml of product. So basically you're supposed to apply 4 to 5 drops of this beauty fluid on your clean moist skin at night. So you're supposed to dampen your skin with rose water or just normal water. I do have the Kama Ayurveda rose water, so I'm just going to use that on my skin, and then just take a few drops of this product and apply this on your skin and massage it gently till the oil is absorbed into your skin, and allow it to work overnight. Now guys, I've been using this product for some time, and this is such a good product guys. This is a very good product. So that's all that I had to say about these two products guys. Now coming to my personal thought, तो जैसे मैंने पहले भी आप लोगों को बोला है कि till date, you know, जितने भी products मैंने Kama Ayurveda के use किए हैं, none of the products have ever failed me. I just love Kama Ayurveda products. So that's all that I had to share with you guys. I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. I will see you guys again in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.